afternoon, welcome. This is government year 2014 jam pass question. Question number 44 says Nigeria is regarded as a frontline state because she dash. Nigeria is regarded as a frontline state because she dash. That is, when we talk of frontline, means leading actor. Leading actor as regard to states in Africa. That is the colonization of African states. Then option A, sent policemen for peacekeeping in Namibia. B, assisted the liberation struggle in South Africa. C, assisted ECOMOG troop in Liberia. D, sent troop for peacekeeping in Somalia. So as we said, that is, Nigeria is a leading actor in decolonization of African states or African countries. So Nigeria championed the struggle against the colonization of Africa, South Africa. That is, the freedom for South Africa was championed by Nigeria government at that time. So option B is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.